Hello, welcome to another video. I'm moving my chair out of the way. Sorry for a slow down upload recently. I've been kind of preoccupied. I'm actually going for my phone box. There's a specific phone I'm looking for, but I've lost it. Oh, there it is. I was actually looking for this yesterday, but I just kind of forgot. This video was meant to come out like 2 or 3 days ago, so ignore my complete and utter ignorance in making videos at the moment. I'm doing quite a lot of stuff. This is a BlackBerry Curve. This is obviously a red model. It's a BlackBerry Curve 8520. So just seeing what screws I need to take out. And I'm going to be attempting to have a look into the motherboard because there seems to be a very minute problem which is preventing it from connecting to any Wi-Fi. This is all my life has become, destroying phones. I haven't worked on a phone in a little while. I have to sit down. People at school who give me flack for doing this are watching, just leave me alone, yeah. Don't want any hassle. It's just what I enjoy doing. And posting it to the internet so other people can see. Please don't give me flack for it. It genuinely made me question my entire existence. Okay, so I've got 2 screws out. Front panel. So look, you can see the front panel's like chipped, missing the sides. Let's grab a prying tool. Perfect. No button comes out. This phone was always meant for as parts, by the way. I don't know if it ever actually would work. Just screw it. Let's just take it all apart. Let's ignore the Wi-Fi problem. Let's just tear it down. Like the good old days. I used to do the phone part thingy. I used to buy and sell as well. I haven't done that in months. Might get back into it. I'm just fed off people giving me flack for doing things I enjoy. Perfect. Look at that keyboard there, that is a horrible keyboard. See, it just snaps apart. Let's put all the parts over there. That's a neat little pile. So we can allot these into its box later. So it's a proper LCD screen. I forgot those screws there. And keep doing this stuff. I don't think. Yeah. You know, I do usually just to hide the problem that I'm sad, but you know, no one actually watches these and enjoys them. You can tell I'm not enthusiastic right now. I never lay it on in videos that much, but I am struggling, guys. Just with life right now. It's been a long couple of months, yeah. It's been a year since I was doing my dad's soon. No, 3 years. 3 years here coming. 3 years January 30th. No, 3 years. 3 years February 1st, I think. Yo, comment down below if you see your dad. Bruh. Oh, that's the screen. There we are. Back is hurting. This phone came out in 2007, so it's a pretty late model dumb phone. Well, actually, this phone wasn't dumb. It had a pretty good camera for the time. I think it was a 3 or 4 megapixel camera for the time. That's not too shabby. Oh, there's 2 screws there. They can't blend it in. I forget what BlackBerry's marketing for this phone was. I think it was saying like, I want to say knowledge, strength and integrity, but I don't remember that being a motto for a phone brand. I have got a spare one of these phones, by the way. This isn't me losing a phone or me binning a phone or whatever. This is literally going to go back into my parts slot, so if at any point I want to put this all back together, I can just locate the parts, bit of that, bit of boom. And just like that, bit of that, bit of boom. Put this aside for a minute. Oh my days. That bit isn't going to come off. There's still a blue screw here. So my back is really beginning to hurt, guys. Change the screwdriver a bit. video was supposed to be sponsored, but I'll just email them and tell them it'll be next video. So I'm not implementing a sponsor spot in the video. I'm just. I'm not going to use the word. Oh! Boom. Boom indeed. That's another board. On that note, thank you guys for watching for an OG teardown kind of thing. See you next one. Peace. I've got shorts on. Mate. See you in a bit, guys. Peace.